I'm using Nitram Charcoal, which I sharpen to a fine point on the Nitram sharpening pad for better control and precision. Since Nitram is rectangular, start by gliding one side 3 to 4 times, then rotate and repeat. Keep the pressure light and let the pad do the work. After a few minutes, I begin rolling it slightly to round the tip. Nitram works best in layers, so no need to press hard when you're drawing. This keeps your charcoal from breaking. 5 minutes in, and I've got a needle sharp point ready to go. Try it and let me know if it makes a difference.